There are several high-profile COVID-19 clinical trials that halt due to safety concerns. And Johnson & Johnson announced that it had temporarily halted its COVID-19 vaccine trial because one of its participants had become sick, and the reason the sick is unknown. And so the vaccine from Johnson & Johnson is created by using of adenovirus as expression vector to express this spike gene from COVID-19. And this is one of the largest clinical trials for COVID-19 vaccines. And they're going to plan to enroll about 60,000 volunteers, and half of the 60,000 or 30,000 trial participants received placebo, and another 30,000 get active vaccine. And right now, only the independent data safety monitoring board members will know which shot the volunteer got. If it is a placebo who got this illness, and the trial likely to restart very quickly. If the problem could have been caused by the vaccine, and they need to do much more detailed investigation and to get reason why it caused this serious adverse reaction. A similar trial by AstraZeneca was also stopped in September, and this is after 2 participants developed very unusual neurologic conditions, and that they also use adenovirus as an expression vector to express this COVID-19 spike protein. And among about 20,000 participants, 2 cases developed unusual neurologic condition, and that is transverse myelitis, inflammation of spinal cord. And this is a very serious side effect, which may cause paralysis of the human body. And this kind of the illness is usually seen in the normal population, 1 or 4 per million people. But in this clinical trial, 2 out of 20,000 is a huge increase. And if this proved to be true, and vaccine causes this transverse myelitis, and it is not possible to get approval of this vaccine to the market by the authority. Eli Lilly's monoclonal antibody combined with remdesivir for treatment of COVID-19 patient and had reached a predefined boundary for safety. So that means this also have some kind of safety issue. Again, this is just preliminary report, so only safety board member know which people give this placebo, which people give antibodies, and they need to do some kind of investigation. Again, if this side effects is in the placebo group, and then the trial can be resumed quickly. If it is caused by this antibody, so a thorough investigation needs to be carried out. So in this case, the clinical trial will have a little bit longer. So it is not unusual for late-stage trial drugs or vaccines to be stopped briefly to examine safety concerns, and that is why we need phase 3 clinical trial, which have huge, large number of participants. Because in the phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trial, and we have small numbers of volunteers, and which many of side effects may not see. So in the large number of clinical trials, like phase 3 clinical trials, we have much more big number, and and give us chance to see this potential side effect. And this is an indication that the clinical trial system is working, and because it was designed to work to protect human subject in the clinical trial. And for any drug we first need to practice this do no harm. So make sure that people don't get any kind of damage from this experimental drug. And this is have a highest ethics standard as possible. And the stop of the clinical trial due to safety concern, that is the practice for this basic principle. And also these occurrences should be served as a reminder that scientific research can be unpredictable and sometimes disappointing and time consuming. And that is especially held true for vaccines and the challenge for vaccine development and compared to treatment of drug treatment. And because if patients have illness, and they should have okay to suffer some kind of side effect because they are sick, especially if they have very serious disease such as cancer, and the new drug will have the chance to save their lives. But vaccines are given to the people who are healthy, and this zero tolerance for people to get sick after receiving the vaccine. And healthy people shouldn't be subject to rescue vaccines. That is why we need to be super careful that our vaccines are safe and effective before we deploy them. And we need to be patient and let science take its course. And we know it's not easy to develop a very good vaccine and safe and effective. It will take some time, but soon or later we were going to have this kind of vaccine, especially this people all over the world are working very hard, and the vaccine will be available in next year. That's for sure. Meanwhile, we need to be very careful to protect ourselves from contact this deadly virus. And that's the video for today. I wish everyone a happy and healthy life. See you in my next video. Bye.